Hi guys and welcome. Ever happened to you that you buy data bundle onto your phone and before you realize it's gone, like vanished? You have no idea what happened. Like you've not used it for anything, you've not done anything probably. You just watched a simple YouTube video but your data is gone. In this video I talk about ways you can take control of your data and be able to account for whatever happens on your phone or it might be on your computer. So let's get started. We've all experienced this before where we bought a data bundle onto our phone. We thought, oh, this is huge, it's going to last me for probably days or weeks. Before I realize it's gone, vanished, we can't find it. And then we go in a tug of war with our network provider or something of that sort. Here are some tips to help you ensure that you are actually using your data and nothing else is actually consuming it. So first of all, you need to be aware of updates on your phone. Now, this is probably going to be something you're already aware of, but keep in mind, app updates will always eat into your data. So make sure your phone or your computer has updates, whether it's foreground update, whether it's background updates, make sure it is turned off. If you're using Android, when you go to the Play Store, there's an option to do that in the settings. On iPhones, there's a similar option like that so that you can ensure nothing is updating without your explicit instruction. Another thing to keep in mind is Wi-Fi connection hotspot. So if you use apps like Zenda or without your knowledge, without you giving them access, it might be a one-time connection they have with your device, which you approve, but the next time they might be using it whether you like it or not. So make sure you don't have your Wi-Fi hotspot on. If you happen to have it on, probably you've connected your laptop to it or whatnot, make sure the hotspot is properly secured. So you have a good password on it so that people can't just guess your password and connect to your hotspot. When they are using the data, it's going to read into what you've already subscribed to. This is going to sound obvious, but the third point is to make sure you have your data turned off whenever you are not using it. If you have your updates turned off, if you have your Wi-Fi turned off, whatnot, you might think, oh, everything looks fine, but just to be on the safe side, if you are not using your data, make sure to turn it off. Just turn it off. Like at the end of the day, it's not gonna read, it's not gonna happen that way. Some apps have what they call data saver mode. So tip 4, make sure to use this data saver mode. There's a data saver mode app by Google on Play Store that you can use to ensure you are actually managing your data usage properly. Make sure to make use of these applications and they will help you to know whether you're going over a threshold or whatnot. So you can set a limit in these data apps and they will update you as and when you're going beyond a certain limit, and that can help you know. So if something is somehow draining your data, it will quickly prompt you and tell you, hey, something is happening behind the scenes, you need to be aware of that. Then, this is another key important tip. Make sure to turn off all auto download. So WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, they have this option where you can auto download stuff or auto play stuff. WhatsApp, for instance, if you're in a group with a lot of messages coming in and out, audio, video, it's going to automatically download whatnot. So immediately you get internet connection, WhatsApp is grabbing all those files and trying to put that on your computer or on your phone. Make sure to have auto download off. That way you are only downloading what you want to download and nothing else. No unnecessary downloads. If the app you're using, the social media platform you're on has that feature, make sure to make use of it. Then the last but not least is be aware of data hogs. So when I say data hog apps, what I'm trying to say is there are some applications that don't give you such options. They don't have anything like do not autoplay or whatnot. Make sure to be aware of these apps and go in there with an understanding. Apps like Instagram, there is no option to pause play or whatnot, immediately you see a post, it starts playing, it's downloading the content whether you will watch it or not. Be aware of these apps so that when you're using them, you keep that in mind and you can know how to use it and ensure that you are not going more than you actually want to use. So these are some of the tips that I use to help me keep my data in check whenever I'm always on mobile and using mobile data. If you're on a mobile device using your mobile data, make sure to actually step in and set these settings. Other than that, leaving everything to your device to automatically handle things magically might not work in your favor. So keep in mind these tips and hopefully you will be able to take charge of the data usage on your phone. I use it, it helps me a lot. Which brings me back to the question. Are the networks, are they really cheat? Some of them I can say yes, but it's not all of them. Some, like you can see from my experiences with some telcos in the past, they are cheats. They are intentionally rigging things to make sure they steal money from you. I remember chasing Airtel Tigo some time ago for my 5 cedis or something like that. It was related to the Sikakoko bundle. I activated it, never got the data, had to chase them for days for my money. They were like, oh, we will send you mobile money into your account. I'm like, no, I want a refund from my actual purchase. So some networks have different ways of siphoning money from us, but these are some of the steps you can take to ensure that you are accounting for every single drop of data going out of your phone or coming in or whatnot. Thank you for joining me in this one. I hope these tips help you to better manage your data on your phone, and you can share this video with your friends who are also having challenges with controlling their data and trying to get hold of that, and it might help them. So thank you for joining me in this one. If you like this video, make sure to click the like button. If this is your first time here, check around the channel. I have different other videos that you might like, and if you enjoy them, make sure to subscribe also so that you don't miss any future upcoming videos. Hope to see you in the next one. My name is KhoPhi. Bye bye.